Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is useful and mean for those who are appearing in competitive examination. Alternatively, he or she may be learning vocabulary to improve language proficiency in general. They may find it very useful and informative. Keep watching the parts of this series. Give your likes and comments. Your feedback and comments would definitely raise the bar of these videos. Also suggest the topics that you wish to have. So let's begin the journey of learning. Look at these various sentences that we have before us. Like we have good friendship, alliance, they own strong relationship, we are good companions, we are excellent fellow, she has good bondage or bonding with her friends, we are friendly, we are very close or have close relationship, our family has a very good acquaintance with that family, we are attached, we have good chemistry. If you look at these sentences, you will observe that these sentences essentially means good friendship. But again, the problem is they are very common. They just become cliche or they are worn out. So every time you use it, they don't show much of freshness. They didn't bring any freshness to our statement or speech or writing. So is there any way where we can use some other word and bring some freshness or some spirit or some vitality to our statements? Yes, we can. And yes, we have word camaraderie. If we replace words like friendship, alliance, relationship, friendly, close with a better word which can manifest the spirit and essence of these words and still sounds better, yes, definitely we have word called camaraderie. So let's look at the definitions and synonyms of the word camaraderie. Again, as we have been doing in earlier videos, we first look into pronunciation part, that is how it is pronounced. So the word camaraderie is pronounced as camaraderie. The meaning of camaraderie is friendship and trust between two people in a group, or a feeling of friendship and trust among people who work or spend a lot of time together, or feeling of friendliness towards people that you work or share an experience. So essentially, if you look at these, the camaraderie is an excellent word to show your friendship and trust among you, the people with whom you're working. And the synonyms for camaraderie are friendship, comradeship, fellowship, companionship, solidarity, mutual support. So these are the various synonyms that we can use in place of camaraderie. Now, what are the examples of camaraderie? Look at the various sentences that we are using here. Our relationship with one another and joy of our camaraderie have not changed. We work in quiet camaraderie until the task is done and sleep calls. We have easy camaraderie, no hassles at all. Kind of camaraderie they shared on the screen was commendable. And lastly, every object on this earth is seeking to work in a quiet camaraderie, no noise about it. So you can look at various sentences and see how beautifully the word camaraderie not only has the uh, meaning part complementing it, but also it is also giving a very effective presence, or it is creating a very aesthetic effect. So better try to use this particular word instead of showing friendship or companionship or alliance. Now let's discuss this word more. As we can see, camaraderie show quality that person possesses. Now again, if you remind back in our previous videos, we have said that a noun has three part, or noun shows three things. One is its state, another is event, and third is the quality. So the camaraderie falls into the category of uh, of quality. Then it is an uncountable noun, so that is you cannot use it in plural sense. Then it is a positive word. Of course, you can see as soon as you say the word camaraderie, a sense of positive feeling comes. It is a French word, in fact. And then if you observe the definition, it has two parts: feeling of friendshipness or friendship, that is companionship, and feeling of trust, that is feeling of faithfulness or belief. The second one is sharing of these two qualities among various persons in a group or in a working place. So, you have a friendship and you have a trust, and these two qualities are being shared together. So, camaraderie is means that combination of both. So, I'm sure the camaraderie would really impress you, and and you definitely would use it in your future conversation. It can be applied in the areas of sports, family, organization, or any kind of group. In sports, you can use it. So if people in a sports or in a game, if there is a uh, very good chemistry between the two athletes or two people, so they enjoy camaraderie. It can be used in family also. So all of us, all of our family members enjoy or share a good camaraderie among ourselves. In any organization, of course, if you're working in an organization where you have very good, excellent chemistry, or you share a very good relationship with other person, so definitely you have very excellent camaraderie with him. Then the various words which go with the camaraderie are easy, have, with, kind of or sort of, quite, sense of, and delicate. And I'm just using some of the examples. Using these words like easy camaraderie, I have a camaraderie, or with the kind of camaraderie, or with camaraderie, or the kind of camaraderie, or sort of camaraderie, then we we enjoy quite camaraderie, and then we have sense of camaraderie and delicate camaraderie. So I'm sure now with this kind of uh, with this kind of background, you can easily use the word camaraderie more confidently and more positively. Thank you very much. This is for all today. We will meet again with a new word. Thank you very much.